Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to The Big Sweep. I'm Kelly, and today we're going to talk about how to clean your living room. Fall deep, deep clean. As the leaves change outside, it's the perfect time to refresh our indoor spaces. So grab your favorite cleaning supplies, and let's make our living room a cozy haven for the fall season. First off, let's gather our cleaning arsenal. You'll want to have natural all-purpose cleaner for versatile cleaning, recipe linked in the description box below. Microfiber cloths for dusting and wiping surfaces. A trusty vacuum cleaner for floors and upholstery. A broom and dustpan for hard floors. Trash bags for decluttering. Old newspapers for streak-free window cleaning. And of course, a fall-scented candle for that extra touch of warmth and ambience. Now that we have our supplies, let's tackle the clutter. Take a few minutes to put away items that have found their way into the living room but don't belong here. Whether it's toys, magazines, or that random sock, clearing the space instantly makes it feel more organized and inviting. With the decluttering done, it's time to banish the dust. Grab your microfiber cloth and let's dust surfaces. Be thorough. Shelves, tables, electronics, and don't forget those often neglected corners. A dust-free living room is a happy living room. Now, let's show some love to our floors. Vacuum those carpets and rugs, ensuring you get into the nooks and crannies. For hard floors, grab your broom and dustpan or use the appropriate attachment on your vacuum. A clean floor not only looks great, but feels fantastic underfoot. Our furniture deserves some attention too. Spray some all-purpose cleaner and give your sofas, chairs, and coffee tables a good wipe down. Check the care labels for any specific instructions, and let's bring that furniture back to life. Now, let's focus on the windows. A clear view can do wonders for the overall feel of the room. Spray your favorite glass cleaner, and here's a pro tip. Use old newspapers for a streak-free shine. It's a simple trick that works like magic. Take a moment to reassess your shelves. Rearrange decorative items and books to create a fresh look. It's amazing what a little rearranging can do for the aesthetics of your living room. With the cleaning done, let's add that extra touch of coziness. Light your favorite fall-scented candle. The warm glow and inviting scent will instantly transform your living room into a haven of comfort. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other suggestions or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more practical tips to make your home a cleaner and happier place. Click here for some mind-blowing cleaning hacks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.